You want to learn digital marketing? Well, here's 7 best digital marketing courses online, free, plus paid. First course, Best of Digital Marketing. Number 1 Digital Marketing Course by Udemy. This is the best course of SEO. It provides you a complete guide to digital marketing. Topics covered in this course are digital marketing essentials, website creation, conversion rate optimization, copywriting, video marketing, press release marketing, 210 SEO ranking factors, visual, voice, and mobile SEO, careers, CV, and freelancing. You will be able to create a stream of customers and build your business. You will learn Facebook ads, Instagram ads, YouTube ads, Google ads, etc. You will learn the art of professional video production. You can become a master in copywriting and have the power to turn browsers into buyers. You can get a highly paid job or become a successful digital freelancer. This course is for you, anyone interested in gaining the skill of digital marketing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Second course, Mega Digital Marketing Course AZ, 12 courses in 1 plus updates by Udemy. This course provides you all-in-one digital marketing strategy including social media marketing. Topics covered in this course are introduction, market research, website creation, business advice, website optimization, marketing cognitive biases, CB practice, social media marketing, Google Ads, entrepreneurship mindset. The final step. The best thing you can learn is that you will be able to use multiple platforms to introduce your product. You will be able to reach your target audience easily and quickly. You will learn to build effective websites from scratch. You will learn powerful information and then use it to achieve success. You will learn to become an expert of social media marketing. This course is for anyone who wants to establish themselves as digital marketers. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Third course, the Complete Digital Marketing Course, 12 courses in 1 by Udemy. This course provides you with a complete comprehensive strategy to excel in the field of digital marketing. Topics covered in this course are market research, make a website, email marketing, copywriting, SEO, YouTube marketing, Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, Quora marketing, Google Ads, Google Analytics, Instagram marketing, Pinterest marketing, LinkedIn marketing, Facebook ads, app marketing, old content. Conclusion. It aims at increasing the chances of potential customers. You will learn to acquire as many customers as you want at a very low cost. You will learn to establish business online from scratch. You can get hired as a digital marketing expert. You can work from home as a freelance marketer. This course is for business owners who want to learn the skill of digital marketing to establish themselves. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fourth course, the Complete Digital Marketing Course, Learn from Scratch by Udemy. This is a complete guide for beginners which provides an all-in-one digital marketing course to build your profession. Topics covered in this course are overview, SEO, paid marketing, social media marketing, planning strategy, IDM campaign, digital marketing career. You will be able to make your digital marketing career. You will learn to build your online reputation. You will learn to grow a more aware consumer base. You will learn to launch online campaigns at a very low cost. You will learn to establish a strategy through which you can increase your sales. This course is for beginners, especially students who are curious about digital marketing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Fifth course, Digital Marketing Masterclass, 23 marketing courses in 1 by Udemy. This course provides you with a complete digital marketing course that will teach you everything. Topics covered in this course are define business and target audience, brand identity, websites 101, email marketing, copywriting, SEO, Google Ads, chatbots, podcasting, Quora, create WordPress website. Conclusion, bonus. The best part of this course is that you can start from scratch and become an expert. You will be able to learn every single thing about digital marketing. You will be able to make numerous websites all by yourself. You will learn to use as many as dozens of strategies. You will be able to grow and establish your brand. This course is for beginners who want all-in-one course to start their journey towards digital marketing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn about HubSpot, click on the I button. Sixth course, Digital Marketing 101 Free Digital Marketing Basics Course by Skillup, free course. This is a comprehensive course that will guide you step by step towards digital marketing. They provide step-by-step instructional training videos and completion certificate. Topics covered in this course are fundamental concepts, customer lifecycle management, marketing analytics, mobile marketing, EO marketing, the future of digital marketing. You will gain knowledge about various digital marketing tactics. You will gain information about the customer life cycle. You will learn numerous industry-related skills of digital marketing. You will learn to build the foundation of your marketing career. You will learn to resolve common problems faced while launching digital marketing. This course is for beginners since it provides you with a basic and quick way of learning digital marketing. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. If you want to learn about email marketing, click on the I button. 7th Course Digital Marketing Course in 7 Hours by YouTube, free course. This course is a complete guide to learn digital marketing from scratch, which covers in-depth knowledge about different concepts. Topics covered in this course are: what is digital marketing trends, importance, content making, SEO, tactics and methods, concept of advertisements, optimization, why choose digital marketing. The best thing about this course is that you will gain good quality content for free. You will be able to learn from basic to advanced level. You will be provided with information about different career opportunities in digital marketing. You will learn about search engine optimization. You will learn the basic key terminology. The course is for beginners as well as experienced professionals. This course is especially for those students who can afford to purchase a course. To enroll this course, click the link in the description box. Subscribe and click on bell icon so you can get updated more on the online courses. Thanks for watching.